Welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to download and install VS Code on our system. Let's get it started. We started by opening our browser, my favorite, Google, and I'll type in VS Code. You can go VS Code download. Then you go for the topmost link here, which is the official site for VS Code. And now, depending on the kind of system you have, I am using a Windows system, so I'm downloading from this side. I'll be downloading from Windows, and you can see the downloading have started already, and I'll wait for that to get downloaded. Yes, we can see our VS Code is downloaded already. So what we're going to do next is just to double click this. We'll run. Now the next thing is for us to accept. Then we click next. We want to create a desktop icon. We also click next, and we install, and our installation have begun, and within a period of time the downloading will be concluded, and we can see this. Here we are. We can see from the screen completing the Visual Studio Code as Setup Wizard. So what next? We just click finish, and that's all. Here we can see now the Visual Code has opened. So this is how it looks. In the next video, I'll be showing us how to navigate, how to add a file. Thank you for watching.